That's gonna be the name of our group. Anyway, we have some paperwork here that I fill now. It has to be yes, okay? And then just a reminder, everyone, all the things.
Cellphone kay sir. Wala secure pa ako pa rin.
Mr. Boat, we have we have Reggie, we have JR, and our most handsome Captain Gerson. Captain Gerson. Okay, so you gotta remember these. Regen, like from hydrogen, nitrogen. Yeah. So my partners are, we have Julius, we have Romeo, we have the guy in orange, and then we have Renz. Where's Renz? Oh, there, Renz is there. Yeah. And of course the crew, we have Captain Gerson, we have JR, and Reggie. So there's gonna be 8 crews for you for the whole day. Yeah, there's a lot of us, so we can make sure that we can assist you properly. So our tour for today is like equipment that would you like to rent, you can tell it to Kuya Romeo. Kuya Romeo is gonna ask the equipment. Alright. Yes.
So I was going to
No, this is the boat.
okay.
Boat is gonna take the equipment here. The last 30 days. Always appear. Ma'am, yan, tapos inhale then fine. 3, 2, don't look straight. Yan, 3, 2.
Ayan.
Straight ka lang, yan. Tingin,
Kaya nga. Kasi mamaya Your jacket. Life jacket? It's okay. You know how to sing? No, but not good. Thank you, sir.
Huwag kayong matakot. Mababaw lang.
Pasikip ng feeling is yung hindi yung parang wala na. Mali. Ang tama is parang reverse yung kaya sir. Yung tingin lang toward you. Okay? Samahan mo lang kayo para medyo magkumana ng maayos. No, para sa inyo.
Yes, sige, graso.
Tama ba tayo sa tubig? Sir, yung ma'am, yung life jacket mong dali. Ang life jacket gawa, ngayon mo gusto na lang. Gusto mo na lang hawakan para ma-practice yung paggagamit ng paa. Sakay mo lang ganun. Tayo din sir magdala ng life jacket.
And drugs as well. No drugs. No drugs.
No drugs.
No drugs.
Lunchtime!
No drugs.
Ano yan favorite part ng tour na to?
Favorite part!
Yeah, vamos.
Tour, lunch.
Lunchtime! So far! Bakit feeling ko mas maganda mag-picture dyan? Correct!
Kaya taro ka, picture mo ba?
Check. Are you
We stay there all the time. Because,
Oh, so I retired.
yeah,
water natin ngayon, Pilipinas
Enjoy
tayo.
earlier time.
Yeah, and then let the rest to do the work.
Yeah.
She's just collecting money. Pretty much. Yeah, right.
That's what you called, she's just harvesting all the things that we planted before.
Yeah, yeah.
She
She was part of the
Yeah.
Take out of the
Sticker ka na lang ma'am, kasi mamaya meron dyan. Konti.
Snorkeling, this way. Wanna go snorkeling, just find the boat traffic. Please find the boat traffic. You know? Pwede, sir, pwede. Gusto mo, magpalipad sir eh.
Pag mo papalangoyin na, paliparin natin.
Pilot ka, gusto mo?
Pwede naman siya magpalipad. Yung bag na kumabalize na puti. Puti itim. Ang gilid niya, may pwede ko. Ma'am? Yes? Lagyan ako doon?
Paano daw po naman camera rin na?
Sige.
Sir, ready na muna kayo. Puro sa karoon niya sa crunchy.
Thank you.
Masakalat pa kayo. Meron ako.
Thank you po.
Ganda. Tapos tayo ng video.
Meron pa rin naman na. Ang iba nasa loob. Ako sa tulad yun. Okay, ito. Ipapikita si daddy mo muna kasi kaya daddy mo. Masasamahan mo muna sila lagi. Papapakot lang. Sa kaya.
Wow. Wow.